Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today's an exciting video. It's a hair video. I think I've only done one hair video, and it's when I dyed my hair like a rose or a pink or something, and it didn't work. And another thing, excuse the noise in the background. My boys don't know how to be quiet, and I got animals, so there's dogs barking, there's cats scratching, and all kinds of stuff, And if you're new here, it's just one of the things you got to deal with. I do apologize. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you 2 things to do with a flat iron. I'm going to be showing you how to straighten your hair, of course. And I'm going to also show you how to get some volume with your flat iron. Because for anybody like me, my hair is really thin. I have lost a bunch of hair. I don't know what happened to it. It just started falling out one day. I used to have really thick hair. Now I don't. So I do have to use different techniques to get volume in my hair. But one of my favorite ways and one of the fastest ways is using a flat iron. And I'm also using a new one that we are testing out today. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that bell. That way you're notified of every video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. Which were some confirmed spoilers for January BoxyCharm Base Box. Congratulations, Miss K Brown Beauty. Miss K says, got here on time. Hi, Mandy. First again. Well, yes, you are, my love. I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey. Thank you so much. You always support me. I just love you so much, girl. Thank you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I'm going to show you what I'm using. And I am going to tell you this. Now, they did send this product to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video, okay? So this is by Duvolle. I think that's how you pronounce it, Duvolle. And this is their Rendezvous Titanium Flat Iron. And let me tell you, this is the best one that I got now. And I got about 10 different flat irons, and I do really like this. Now, the price... I don't like the price, but I got a solution for that too. But let's go ahead and talk about this first. Now, they let me pick out the one I wanted, and I chose this one. And the reason I chose this one is because this does all kinds of stuff. And like I said, since my hair is really thin, I like to put volume in it. This actually can curl, straighten, give you volume, everything. So now the titanium plates on this are polished. That way, your hair moves through it really smoothly. And another reason I wanted this is because it's got curved, see the outside? They call them edges. The edges are curved. That way, if you do want to curl your hair, you can. Now, I did try to curl my hair with this, and apparently, I don't know if I'm dumb or what, but I just can't figure that part out. So today, I'm just going to show you how to straighten your hair and give yourself volume with this. But, like I said, a flat iron is one of my favorite ways of getting volume. Now, guys, it is really simple to curl your hair with a curling wand. I don't know what my problem is, I just can't. I think it's my hair that just won't do it. So I am going to link below a video where Mondo, I don't know if you're familiar with him or not, but he shows you 4 or 5 different styles you can use with a flat iron that are simple and easy. The other ones that I got, my hair's always catching in the edges of it and stuff. That's why I like this, because it's got the curved edges. Now, it does have 5 different heat settings. I try to keep mine in the middle. It's got 270, 320, 360, 410, 450. I usually keep mine on 360, and this thing heats up so fast, and it does have auto shut off. For those of you like me, we just walk off. Like if there's something cooking or something, we just walk off, because that's just us. That's how we do it. Well, it is very sleek. Now, this thing does come with a glove. Let me show you what it comes in. It came in this box, which was in another box, which is really good because it was packaged very well. Now, again, it does come with a glove. I don't like those things. I cannot use them. I'm sorry. I suggest that you do use the glove. Don't do like me, I just can't motivate or something with one of those things on. But again, it's got the directions in there, and it's also got this fancy glove. Here's the glove that it comes with. I like that glove, y'all. I just can't use gloves when I'm doing it. I've tried them, and I don't get no use out of them. But again, if you don't want to get burnt, use the glove. But I will show you this. This is so comfortable to hold in my hands because these little rubber things right here, and they also got the little side plates. That way when you sit it down, it don't, burn the counter or whatever you're sitting it on. But I feel like those are in the perfect place. Like my finger and my thumb hits right on those rubber things, and it's just so comfortable to use it. I just love it. Now I'm going to insert this here clip. Now this is me straightening my hair, of course. And of course, I've got to put one of those heat protectants in my hair every time I use a flat iron. Again, because my hair is very damaged. It's bleached. It's thinning. It's doing all kinds of crazy stuff that I would have never thought it'd do, 5 years ago. But anyways, all I do is I brush my hair and I split it. And I just run the straightener through there. Now, I do pick out kind of small pieces. I like my hair like flat, like if you ironed your hair with a regular old iron. That's why I use small amounts. Now, you can use big chunks with this thing if you want to, if that's the way you want to do it. But I'm telling you, this is a fast iron. And, it only took me 5 minutes to straighten my hair. Now, I'm going to show you a clip of how you can get volume with a flat iron. And I've been doing this for so long now. But again, the other irons I have, my hair always gets stuck in the edges. That's why I like that one, because it's got the curved edges. All you do is you grab you a piece of hair, and right here in the clip, you can see it. You just pull out and then start like you're about to curl your hair, but don't go for the curl, don't go all the way into the curl. And then there you go, you got volume. And there goes them damn dogs. I'm so sorry. Again, guys, y'all know I'm broke. Y'all know. Thing's $195. And usually I would tell y'all, do not buy this. Do not spend $195 on nothing. They were kind enough to give me a discount code. Now, the discount code is SelfTaught Beauty. And that is in all caps, and that will get you 70% off of this, which I took the liberty of adding that up just to see if it was still too expensive because, I don't like to tell my subscribers to buy anything that I wouldn't buy. Okay? Because again, I got bills to pay, y'all. Really, I do. And I just wouldn't spend $195 on a straightener. I'm sorry. I really am. Now, I do think it's worth it. If you do have the money, go for it. But you can always find a code. If you're not going to use my code, there is plenty of codes you can find for Duvolle to get the discount code off of those. So again, with 70% off of $195, that way that brings that flat iron to $58.50. Now they do have another one there, but I don't believe it has the curl or the curved edges or anything on it. They got a bunch of stuff there. Now I've already I've reviewed the facial cleaning thing, and I love that thing. This flat iron is my new favorite. I'm telling you. So $58, y'all. I think it's a really good deal. But still, if you don't have the money, I'm not telling nobody to buy anything. You can buy it if you want to. If you do go to buy it, use a code. It don't matter if it's mine or anybody else's. Use a code for that thing. Don't you dare pay $200 for a damn flat iron. But now 58 is about more in the price range, y'all, because I got one in there I paid $75 for, and that thing is complete trash. But I did love the way this performed. It was amazing. It was, I don't get a lot of, I don't have a lot of new stuff or anything like that, so I did like that. But anyways, guys, I did want to get on here real quick, show you how to get volume with the flat iron, and also show you how I straighten my hair, my little old falling out hair. And again, if you do want to purchase one of these, use a code. If you want to use mine, it's SelfTaught Beauty in all caps. That'll get you 70% off. Again, guys, you can get that flat iron for $58.50. And it comes with that fancy glove and stuff, and it's really nice packaged. Sorry, guys. But I give it a 5 stars. I'm so sorry, y'all. I told y'all, if you're on my channel, there's always noise. I can't stop it. That's why I can't do no damn lives. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Now, if I butcher this, honey, I apologize. But congratulations, Etta. Is it Phil Pot? Anyways, Etta says, I've been waiting for over a year for a shout out. Oh well, congratulations to Simply Shanny. Well, Etta, here is your shout out, honey. That is the last thing I want anybody to feel like they're being ignored or anything on my channel. Eventually, I'll get to everybody. And I love you, girl. Thank you so much for the support. I'm so sorry, y'all. She is a camera hog. She's just trying to ruin my life is what she's trying to do. And Squirrel's trying to ruin my life. And remember, guys, leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. Tell them, Squirrel. YouTube's taking it all away from us. They're taking our subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin our lives is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not?
But you know,
I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. Really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys hit off this video.
Damn YouTube.
Make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch every one of my videos. I also do a lot of spoilers. You damn sure don't want to miss none of them. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Tell them bye, Squirrel. Bye. Say bye, camera hog. I tell you. You are a pure camera hog. Don't even say you ain't.